What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a wonderful presentation for a startup's pitch deck. So a startup's pitch deck is basically the presentation of a new startup, and so today I'm going to show you how you can easily create a startup pitch deck for a new company called AgriWave. And so let's get straight into it. So we're going to be using this tool called gamma.ai or gamma.app that you can find at that link, gamma.app, which is going to help us to create a wonderful startup pitch deck in seconds or basically in minutes. So today I'm going to show you how you can do just that. So straight away, once you sign up, you have your dashboard here. You can just go ahead and click create, and it's going to be present you with this interface where you can choose from these options. So the first options allows you to paste some text in, the second option allows you to generate from just a prompt, and the third option gives you the option to like import a file, and then you generate a new file from the one you imported, which will just have a better design. So I think we are going to go with the first option, which is generate, or we can just go ahead and paste the text. So whatever of this option is still good. So let me just go ahead and paste text. The idea of pasting text just allows you to kind of put in all your ideas in one go, and then the AI is going to just use your ideas to come up with all you need. So straight away I use ChatGPT to kind of generate me a sample idea. So the company is called AgriWave, and AgriWave is an innovative agri-tech startup focused on helping small and medium-sized farmers to do all that you can see there. So this is just a sample idea to show you how easy it is. So straight away ChatGPT gave me already the description of the company, and it gave me all the slides I'll need for my pitch deck. So all I need to do is copy all of this text. That's all I need to do, and then come back to ChatGPT and just paste the text. As you can see, it's in no precise order. I've just pasted my ideas there and the slides I want to use. So straight away I can go for a presentation, I can go for a web page, or I can go for a document, depending on which format you prefer. So I'll just go with presentation. All I need to do from here now is just to click continue, and based on this idea I've passed in, is going to generate me my presentation. Now you can see how it has formatted these ideas now very well. So now I'm going to increase the number of cards to 12, from 8 to 12. Well, it seems now to get over 10 cards, it requires a pro version. So we are going to stick maybe with 9 cards. So I've given it the information, and now I'm going to click on generate or click on continue for it to generate my presentation. So based on the information I passed onto it, it's now going to generate my presentation. So I'll just go with the default theme, click on generate. Now with the information I gave to it and with the theme I selected, it's now going to create my presentation. So AgriWave, empowering sustainable farming. So it starts up front with the first presentation or the first card, and now it's going to add not just images, but it's equally going to add the text in and the context. So it starts with the first slide, the challenge, unpredictable farming landscape. So if you come back to the prompt I gave, I started with the problems. Yeah, the slide, it started with the title slide, so the company name, the tagline, and the logo. That's just what it did. Now the second slide was the problem. You see it came out, I specify here that challenges farmers face, etc. So I didn't specify the titles of the slide, but I gave it the information it was supposed to put. So straight away, you see from the first slide, it started with the name, the tagline, and then the logo. If the logo was present, it was going to use that here. So now from the second slide, you see it's talking about the problem, which was actually the second line there, the problem. Now the third slide is going to be talking about the solution. So AgriWave solution, IoT powered farming intelligence. So you see it's going through the information I gave it, and it's generating the cards. So all this information is being generated. I didn't give it all of this information. All I specified was just this. So generate me these slides, generate me these cards, and then come up with the information. So that's it. In a couple of seconds, it's already generating me one slide after the other. So there you have it. It is done generating me all of the slides I requested. So it created a total of 9 slides, and you can see how it added the information and the context and everything I need for my new startup. So let's start with the first slide: agree with empowering sustainable farming. So I can easily modify any information here that I don't like and put in what I want. I can equally change the images as well and replace them with whatever image I prefer, and you can see how it has generated and formatted all of the information in a very beautiful way and easily. So that's it. In a couple of seconds you already have a presentation for your new startup that you can do. So whatever idea you have in mind, whatever idea you want to present, you can just give the little bit of details, a brief description of it, and ChatGPT, or sorry, not ChatGPT, but Gamma.ai is going to use it now to generate you a beautiful presentation you can use. So once you are done presenting, you can equally update, you can add some new slides. It's true that on the free version you're limited only to 9 slides, but you can delete one and maybe add another, and so on and so forth. You can generate them with AI, or you can customize whatever slide is already present here. You have this tool on the left that allow you for an infinite amount of customization. You can see the tools are here, they're very effective. So that's how you can create, in a matter of seconds, a beautiful presentation for a totally new company. Agree with. It's true that I used ChatGPT to come up with the idea, but that was just really a shortcut. You can come up with your own ideas and you can customize them as you see fit. So once you are done generating this, you want to download it, you can come to these 3 buttons, come to the export option and choose to export it in whatever format you prefer, either as PDF, either as a PowerPoint presentation, or even just as images that you can share with whoever is interested. So there you have it, guys. That's how you can create an amazing presentation in a matter of minutes. So I really like what this tool does, and it's very, very useful. So I hope you can check it out and make use of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.